I have been a lawyer for 50 years. I have never seen a true Perry Mason moment like what just happened in the Alec Baldwin trial. Alec Baldwin's case has been dismissed because of prosecutorial and police misconduct. It is as stunning as it gets. What happened was this. During the trial today, the judge got a manila envelope, opened it up, and there was live ammo inside the envelope. The reason this is important is that envelope was filed not in the official Rust file of the case, but in a different case. A police officer testified that she was told, don't put this ammo in the Rust file. Let's create a separate new file to put this manila envelope in. And when you connect the dots, the reason is the prosecutors didn't want the defense to see this evidence in preparing for trial. That's the only reason they would put it in a complete separate file that they created. They didn't want Alec Baldwin and his lawyer to know about this. Now you may ask, why is additional live rounds, why would they be relevant? Well, one of the things Alec Baldwin is saying is, look, I was just an actor on the set. There were all of these lapses because of the armorer and others that were working around me, and I had no idea all of this was going on. So in a way, I'm a victim in this thing too. Well, whatever the defense could have done with this information, the judge said the prosecutors denied Alec Baldwin the right to really prepare his case by withholding this information, this evidence. And the judge said, look, the only recourse here is to dismiss this case. Fair is fair. It is so bad that one of the prosecutors in the middle of this hearing today resigned because of this misconduct. So I don't know what the consequences are going to be for prosecutors here, but I will say I have been saying all along that this case against Baldwin was BS, that it felt to me like authorities were just trying to get a celebrity, that actors should be able to rely on an armorer who was hired for the very purpose of making sure a gun is safe. And when Alec Baldwin was told that it was a cold gun, for him to open the chambers and look in the chambers and for him to judge himself when you can really not even tell the difference between live ammo and a dummy, there's a very subtle difference. It just seemed ridiculous to me. Remember, this case it was dismissed once before because prosecutors were prosecuting them under a law that wasn't even in effect at the time the shooting occurred. So that's a basic thing that every lawyer knows. And then they had to dismiss it, and then they refiled. Well, now, not only is Alec Baldwin free, but prosecutors and police have a lot to answer for.